Welcome back to the ongoing series of Tom Figures Out This Bass Sound. So I'm not quite getting the sound that I want, and I've been thinking about it, and I want something that's really resonating and feedbacky, and we are currently using frequency modulated synthesis to try and get it, and it's not quite cutting it. So I've got another idea I want to try today to get this sound. So I'm going to duplicate this track, we'll call it bass 3A, and we'll mute this, and I'm just gonna nuke everything in this track. The other thing I really want, which I keep reminding you of, is that I want to keep it simple. So I'm just going to start again. We are going to do a bit of FM, I think. I'm just going to start with a square. But I'm going to try and use a delay and an echo. So I want to have, I want to feed this back into itself using excessive feedback. I should put a limiter at the end of the track because we may get into crazy domains. And I kind of feel like if I bring the feedback up, it's going to get that out of control ring that I want. I'm not sure if it'll work on a square, but let's give it a go. So we need to make this incredibly short. So I'm going to go into time mode. Let's go like this. And I have to be careful here. Okay, so that's almost already getting the result that I want. I'm going to turn the filter off here. Let's make it shorter. Okay, let's go ahead and add a distortion. I'm going to see what Ableton give us. Let's go for audio effect racks. Okay, distortion. So we've got a few options here. Let's try this one. Rather than build something myself, let's just see what we have. Okay, we're starting to get, I can already tell this is going to be what we need. So let's go for a hybrid reverb. Let's make the size and decay smaller. Blend mode, or maybe a bit bigger. Let's go for halls. Okay, so I might want to make this feedback over this time period. So it comes up here. That's a lot. Let's give a filter to this square wave and we'll give it some envelope and we'll have it just fade away over 6 seconds or so. Let's bring the time down. I want to get it, I want a lower ring, so I probably have to widen it, but we'll see. I mean, we could do the maths here and figure out how many milliseconds we need. I mean, this is the frequency it's going to be resonating at, or is it? Because we're getting a feedback loop, so there's probably some harmonics and stuff going on there. Let's try frequency modulating this square wave with a sine. We'll make the sine up an octave for a start. Let's make it quite high up. Make sure the envelope is open. Ooh. Well, it's sounding pretty good. It seems as if I get shorter, we get a lower feedback ring, which is interesting. Something to do with the feedback loop. So the sweet spot's around here, I think. That's good. Let's make this come in quicker. Maybe here. Let's play with these presets here. Let's go ping pong. Probably give us some stereo. That's sounding pretty good. Let's bring the dry wet down. What happens if I bring the limiter all the way up and push it? Too much. We need some sort of dynamics there. Tube distort. Give it a little bit of attack. Okay, let's go into the filter envelope. And, sorry, the pitch envelope. We'll make the peak 0. Initial 0. This is the sound I'm looking for. Let's just go sustain 2 over a few seconds. Turn it on. I want it to be a bit lower. Will it work if I bring this down? I'm not sure. Nice. Let's change the feedback so it doesn't go away so quickly. Too much. We also have the filter controls here, which is interesting, so let's play with these a bit. So we can really affect the sound with these and control the tone that we want. Let's bring the dry wet down. Not quite. What if we give it this reverb? Nope. Ooh, that's pretty nasty. Okay, we are definitely getting somewhere. this is what I want. Next video we'll be focusing on this as well, polishing it up. Then I reckon it will be time to get some structure into the track.